question.
Yeez!
What am I made of?
Look at me, in your hand. I help you draw, just as planned. Pencil, what am I made of? What am I made of? I am made of wood, wood, wood. 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 Wood comes from trees, trees are tall, tall. We draw and write big and small. I am made of wood, 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 wood. What am I made of?
Is it plastic?
No, no, no.
Is it metal?
No, no, no. Is it wood? Yes, yes, yes. Move your pencil, move, move, move. Draw a line today. Move your pencil, move, move, move. Now put it away. Clap your hands for wood. Clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands for wood. Wood. I am made of wood.
Wood?
I am made of wood.